Anthony, I was just going to do a quick run around. I just pulled it up here and checked the tires, grease the bearings, make sure that's not, the running gear is not going to be any problem. Found out the trailer doesn't even have lights on it, so I used my little magnetic lights and put them on the trailer so I'd have lights. But I just rinsed it down some and go over it. The bottom paint's a VC17. I've got a half a quart of VC17 inside the office, and what I got it for is just to put another layer on the top of it. It's pretty much ready to paint. As you can see, it's smooth as glass with no blisters or anything. That's water spots right there from where I just washed it off. But just run a tape stripe and before you drop it in the water, put another coat on there. It's pretty cold today, so I didn't want to play in the water too much. And there's a roller furling right there. Once again, that's just smooth as it can be. It just needs some of the VC17 put on there. And I missed a couple little dirt spots right there. I guess that's that part of it. Before I get my dirty footprints up there, it's fairly clean. As I said, it's got a whole bunch of instruments. I wouldn't consider any of them to work. They just look good. They might work. That's a plus if they do. And that's what I was talking about, as you said, the paint's peeling off a wire brush and that disappears. That was gonna be my partner and I's project, but you know about that. Even got a life sling rescue system as an anchor, all the rest of the stuff that I showed you pictures of. There's the motor mount right there. Slides in the back. I don't know if there's anything else down here. It's phenomenal that it's that dry as much as it's been raining, but it is. I guess that about covers it. This will be what's coming down there.